Today we are going to talk about Dr. M, who is an optometrist in Vermont. He's married, has 3 kids, and has owned his practice for about 3 years. When Dr. M first came to us, they were in a very tight financial situation, as many small practice owners are when they first start their business. He was overusing his credit cards, didn't have a lot of reserves personally and through the business. And we found that the underlying problem was because he was trying to do all 3 roles at the practice of being the owner, the practitioner, and the executive. And we were able to alleviate those problems by having his wife come in and take over the executive role. Once Dr. M's wife took over the executive role in the business, we were able to give them small budgeting tools along the way to help them alleviate their financial condition that they were in currently, and were able to establish a financial plan that allowed them to pay off their debt while building their reserves at their home as well as their business. Dr. M has now been with us for 2 years at this point, and now they have the most reserves that they ever had in the business and personally. They've now established different income buckets that they're going to be able to live off in the long run, and they have the least amount of debt that they've ever had in their life since starting to own their business at this point. At this point, they're on pace to be debt-free in 7 years and hit their retirement goal in 10, which we are very excited about and look forward to watching their continued successes along the way.